Hi everybody. Today we are going to be making Baked Creamy Garlic Rigatoni. If you're looking for the recipe, I have added that in the description to this video. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Time for the final ratings. The picky 12-year-old of the family gave it a 1. The other picky eater of the family gave it a 2. And then the average of the adults gave it a 5. All in all, it was an okay recipe. I think if I had used fresh thyme, it would have been better. On the messiness scale, it gets a rating of a 3, primarily because I had to get 2 pans dirty instead of just 1. So, all in all, it's not a repeat recipe that we're going to do, but it was okay. So thanks for joining. If you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. And if you like these videos and want to see more of them, please subscribe to the channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.